Hey y'all, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that I can be notified, so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is of a synthetic blend wig. I ordered it off of Amazon, and it's from a store called The Vigorous Store. And I think the wig was like $50-something. It's 26 inches. But 26 inches on me looks really long because I'm only 5 feet tall. So, yeah. It looks more like 30 inches on me, but I'm only 5 feet. So, yeah, it is 20 inches long. And all I had to do to this wig was I plucked the part because it was really thin. And I add some makeup to some powder to the part. And then I cut the front part so that it will give the highlights a little bit more definition. And that's it. The hair feels pretty good, but you know how synthetic hair is. It'll feel good 1 minute, and then you try to wear the stuff again, and it'll start looking stringy. And I tried to put some curls in it, but you know, as synthetic hair goes, sometimes curls don't last, and I was not about to be doing no rod set on this. It wasn't gonna happen. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, I'm about to install the wig right now. And I didn't put a wig cap on, I just have this little, it's like a velvet brown band that you put on so the wig won't slip. And actually I have a small head, so that velvet brown thingy is like kind of thick, so it makes the wigs fit perfectly. And I was feeling for clips, but I didn't feel any clips in it. So far, so good. I'm loving how I put the curls in, but of course they dropped. Synthetic hair never really holds a curl. But it did give it some body, so I'm cool with that. Whoever colored this wig did an excellent job. The colorage, y'all. The colorage is just bomb.com. And I didn't use glue because I don't plan on wearing this wig for a long time. It's probably going to come off right after the video. So I'm just cutting the lace, doing it in quick zigzag motion. And I couldn't see looking at the camera with you guys, so I had to look in the other mirror. But I did cut it off in a zigzag motion. And it's not even that much to cut off. I don't even think that's not even 4 inches worth of lace. I'm gonna go in and spray some Got to Believe freeze spray on there. Pull it down. Let it sit for a hot second. And no, I am not going to put no elastic band on there. I'm just gonna do it leave it like it is and keep it pushing, keep it moving. How's you guys' New Year's coming along so far? Mine is just coming along just wonderful. I know it ain't gonna be perfect, but guess what? I'm gonna make it as perfect as it can possibly be. I'm gonna take the good with the bad and roll with it. I'm gonna learn some lessons from the bad for sure. But as for now, it's just been wonderful, you guys. Wonderful. Look at that color. Look at that color. Whoa. That is so pretty. Yeah, I'm trying to have those little front pieces draped. So I'm going to end up spraying those. Yep. Spray that back. Let it sit right. Oh, oh, y'all, look at that. Look at that, you guys. Oh, you guys, I'm almost done taking those steroids for my asthma. Man, that prednisone is the devil. It is the devil. I hate it, but it works so good for my asthma. And my asthma is seasonal. It's horrible from November through February, the end of February, the beginning of March. So I'm almost done taking that and watch these pounds just go away. I knew when I took one day I was taking it, my head looked so damn big. I said huge, but y'all look at that hair though. It's about the hair. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and as usual, stay blessed.